Is and dwylar y symor. Is and dwylar y symor. Music is down the corridor. Music is down the corridor.
Dim.
No, music is down. Music's down further on down the corridor. I'm sorry about this.
Sorry.
Further on down the corridor. Oh, sorry bod fi'n hwyr. Okay, helo. A chroeso. Bore da. Helo, Hefin dwi. Hefin dwi. Helo, Hefin.
Hello, Hefin.
Da iawn, da iawn. Pwy ydych chi? Pwy ydych chi?
Steve dwi.
Da iawn.
Tom dwi.
Da iawn.
Louise dwi.
Pwy yw hwn? O, Hywel Dda fi. Cyflwynwch fi y dosbarth hefyd. Ie. Helo, Hywel Dda.
Hello,
Hello, Hywel Dda.
Hywel Dda, Hywel Dda, Hywel, always dda. Right, Hywel Dda.
Hello.
So do try to pay particular attention to this part of the course. Very important. It's going to come up in everyday conversation because he's Nikon, not just my words, the words of the Western Mail. Got some. Okay, barod now. Geirfa, vocabulary. Geirfa. Here we go. Brenin, which means king. Cyfraith, which means law. Dysgu. Southwesterly part of his kingdom, but we'll discuss that in more detail later. It's going to come up again. It's going to crop up again. Unrhyw gwestiynau, any questions about Hywel Dda?
Dyma ni'r dosbarth Cymraeg.
Sorry I'm late.
Oh.
Beth yw hwn?
Oh, camgymeriad. Just mistake, to be sorry.
Fi.
Am flin fi. Reit. Hywel Dda.